Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be unboxing BoxyCharm for January 2021. If you're new to BoxyCharm, it's a beauty subscription service that offers you different types of subscriptions every month for different prices. I subscribe to the basic subscription, which costs $25, and it comes with 5 full-size beauty products. So you receive a box in the cardboard box like this, and inside you got a card which provides the full information on the products that you receive inside your box with their retail prices and short description. So inside my box there are 5 full-size products. Most of them are skincare, which I'm really pleased about because I really wanted to receive more skincare than makeup. So I'm happy with this box. So let's start from the most beautiful item in my box, and this is the velvet palette from Ciaté, London. So it looks like this. The packaging is really nice, it's sleek, and the color is very pretty, so I like it a lot. And inside, let me open it. So it features metallic shades, shimmers, as well as matte eyeshadows in very beautiful colors. Their formula is soft and buildable, and they are very pigmented, and of course they look really amazing, and I just can't wait to try them on. Okay, then next there is this Pore cleaning toner from Farmacy. It doesn't contain alcohol, but it contains BHA and moringa and papaya. It comes in this beautiful matte green glass bottle. It's aimed at cleaning your pores deeply, helping to control oil, exfoliating your skin without stripping it. So I'm really looking forward to use it, but I haven't opened it yet because I'm currently using a toner with BHA, so I'll give it a go later. Then there is lip mask that you're supposed to use overnight from Seraphine Botanicals. The packaging is really cute and convenient. It locks in moisture in your lips, it helps to deal with chapped lips, and makes the skin of your lips smooth and moisturized, and they even look plumper. I haven't opened it yet because I'm currently using the similar lip mask from Seraphine Botanicals, but with another flavor. So once I finish that, I'm gonna be using this one because I really like this product and I'm really happy that I have received this. Next up is this lip balm from Bali Balm with sweet orange and coconut. Although it's another product for lips, but I'm really happy again to receive it because I don't have a lot of products for lips currently, and this one I have already tried and it works just great for my lips. It comes in this pretty green tube. Somehow the label is on the side. It's not supposed to be like that, but I don't mind actually. And the applicator is quite convenient to use. It's angled, and I can even apply this lip balm on the go, which I often do, and I'm gonna be using it right now to show you what it looks like. Okay, it smells really nice, it glides on smoothly, it instantly makes my lips moisturized and quite soft, and it smells really nice. I think that it even freshes your breath, and also it tastes really sweet and citrusy, I would say. So I like this product a lot. And last but not least is this Tinted Moisturizer from Pore. I have already had products from this brand and I like them all, so I was excited to receive this one because I wanted to receive tinted moisturizers a lot because I always use them, and this one, it's not just a tinted moisturizer, it's a 4-in-1 product, meaning it is a primer, a moisturizer, a foundation, and a sunscreen. So 4-in-1, which is really great, and I would say cost effective. So this one I have already tried as well, and I'm really happy with it again because it blends easily, it covers my imperfections pretty well, but it looks really natural, and what's more importantly, the shade they sent me suits my skin tone perfectly. So this one will probably be my go-to product for spring. So all in all, I really like my BoxyCharm for January 2021, and I'm really happy with all of the products that I received, and I'm gonna be using them probably very often, and I'm already looking forward for my February BoxyCharm. Let me know down in the comments below what do you think of my BoxyCharm, what you received in January, and whether you like it. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!